definitely not one of my best ideas ever. I will admit that. I didn't plug my mic in. I had the cord sitting right there next to my camera before I brought my camera outside. And I was planning on plugging it in, and I was proud of myself for remembering the cord, and then I just didn't. And then I was talking softly into my mic the whole time because I'm still getting over a cold and can't talk like a normal human being. So I'm gonna have to try to figure out what I was saying through this whole video and translate it in the captions for you. I'm so annoyed. Desperate times come for desperate times come for desperate times come for desperate measures. Desperate times call for desperate measures. That's what it is. I do not have indoor riding arenas. I do not live in the tropical area where it's nice and warm 24/7 year round. So one must do the extreme and run barrels in snow. Now, this is the perfect time to run in the snow because we just had a fresh dumping of powder on top of frozen ground. So I know there's no ice, slushy, slippery underneath, and there's no crunchy, crispy, icy snow. So it's it should be plenty safe and easy to run on, and despite only being like 14 degrees out, it should be fun time. There's still isn't antsy-pantsy. Okay, gotta calm down. Nothing too terrible. Her trailer's in a new spot, and somebody's in the shop making noise behind her, and it's a little bit scary for her. She's also wind up. So I need to do some exercises to shut out a little bit. Go run some barrels sounds like a great idea to me. I was thinking about like the ways to get your horse to run faster without physical treatment, like with kicking, starfishing, spurs, and the answer is run them when they're really spicy in the cold. At least that's what I'm assuming. We'll see how it goes. I had to dig the barrels out of the snow, out of the frozen spot that I had put them in nice and snug before the snow came. Brought them all the way out to the pasture where I knew the ground was secure. So I think that they're a scary monster. Okay, this should be interesting. turn the barrels into a jump since I had them out. But anyways, fun. And a Western saddle. Jump. And a Western saddle. Oh boy. I think we need to run a marathon. Okay. That's it. Alright. Thank you very much. I'm done for now, guys. Let me know what kind of video you want me to do next week, because I'm always looking for suggestions. And if you haven't heard, I'm hosting a giveaway. I'm giving away lots of cool stuff. There's gonna be 3 winners. It's gonna be super easy to enter and win. Your chances of winning are very high, so I highly suggest you enter because there is no harm in trying. And if you don't win, you could just go unfollow me on all the platforms anyway. So, you know, if you want to learn more about the giveaway, I'll link the video here where I talk about it more, so you can go check it out. And I really appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. And you're looking fabulous today. So thank you very much for coming and sticking along with me and watching me do weird, random crap. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And I will see you guys next week Sunday. Bye!